this is our chicken enclosure where we keep the girls tucked away at the back.
Hey, Bertie, no, you can't go in there. Bertie, no, come here. I mean it, Bert, come here. Yeah. As they say, one word from me and he does as he likes.
We've got 2 broody girls at the moment, so they have to be booted off the nest every now and then. Actually not sat on anything at all.
No.
I don't know where the other girls will be laying their eggs if they're taken over. These are Catherine and Grace, and they're buff Orpingtons. And there's our little bantam cockerel called Dickie. He came from someone in the village who raised some chicks, and they were all cockerels, weren't they?
Yeah, so we gave him a home.
housed him.
So we needed to get rid of 7 cockerels. So he came to live here.
And we keep the hen house raised up on these stilts with a precarious ladder and branch arrangement, so if a fox gets in, they can escape. And then we have our we'll give them a bit of food so they can show off. So that must be Sophie now.
Yeah, she's got a big comb. That's Sophie. She's a buff Orpington Skyline cross. So she lays blue eggs.
And this is Duchess,
Nope,
the white
Bertie.
one's Duchess.
She's a white Sussex hen.
And these are Tilly. Oh, shush. And that's Tilly and Shelley. Is that right?
Yeah.
Good. So they've got a nice big enclosure here. And we go on to, we face onto back onto a field and some woodlands here. So it's, you know, got lots of wild flowers there.
Come here.
But a nice big high fence to keep the foxes away. More fruit trees. We've got a nice quince and a Blenheim orange apple. And then this, the small house is our baby chicks that we got this year. They've just been introduced into this run. They've been in the separate run until now. They do all have names, but we haven't worked out which one's which yet.
New chicks are all named after our friends. So there's a Deborah, there's a Diana, there's a Nicolette, there's an Yvette, there's a Charlotte, and there's an Ellen.
They are quite aggressive to each other. You soon work out the meaning of henpecked. And they just really have a go. If you know, there's a top chicken. The white one's the top, the boss. She keeps them, tells everyone off. And if they get too much, then Dickie steps in and breaks them up. We always say we should get him a little step ladder. That's the pigeon scarer.
Yeah. He doesn't like pigeons. But neither do we, because they eat the tops out of the plants.
Good boy. He's a good boy.
Did you see it off? Did you see the pigeon off?
Oh. And that's so Bertie and Monty. Good boys.
Yes, Bertie will be 9 this year, and Monty will be 2.
Is that pesky pigeon again?
Yeah. They're not really allowed to fly over the garden in Bert's world. even coming into airspace is not allowed.